recap of your markets on this Wednesday, the 17th day of December. Got the monthly cattle and feed report that will come out on Friday. Pre-report estimates came in today. On feed numbers estimated at 98.3% with a range of 97.3 to 99%. Marketing's estimated at 88.4 with a range of 87.5 to 89% of last year. And placements, of course, always the wild card and the number with the biggest pre-report estimate range. The average of the analyst estimates came in at 92.4% with a range of 84.4 to 96. That 84.4 was well outside of most of the analysts' guess. Most of them was about 89% to 96% of last year's total. Taking a look at what occurred at the auction barns around the state today, few of the highlights. South Central Regional Stockyards in Vienna. We told you this morning that they had a big consignment of some reputation bred heifers that they were going to sell, and they were no disappointment at all. Ended up with 87 head of year and a half to 2 year old heifers, weighing from 850 to 1,100 pounds, all in the second and third stage. They sold from 3,500 to 4,250. The average on those 87 head of heifers at 3,828. Windsor Livestock Auction, they're not completely done for the day. They've got a special cow sale after they get done with the feeders. Getting awful close on the feeders. We'll take a look at the way those cattle sold. The 4 to 5 weight steers, 492.5 to 565. 5 to 6 weights, 422 to 495. 6 to 7 weights at 380 to 435. Some 7 to 8 weights, 352 to 377.50. The feeder heifers, medium and large ones, 4 to 500 pounds, 432.5 to 472.50. Some 5 to 6 weights at 374 to 402. Some 6 to 650 pound heifers at 367 to 379. Box beef cutout values closed lower for the day. Choice down 279 at 356.09. Select down 267, 346.43. Those values based on 170 loads of cuts, trimmings, and grinds. The Choice Select spread setting at $9.06. Negotiated feedlot trade so far for the week, 1,650 heads scattered around both inside the 5-state feeding region and outside. About the only thing inside that's really been notable so far this week was about 550 head in Kansas that traded at 229 live. Not much going on in the other regions, of course, not getting anything lately from Texas due to confidentiality reasons. Looks like most of the trade probably going to wait till a bit later in the week now. Of course, after last week's and with the holidays coming up, don't expect any huge volume to likely trade this week. Taking a look at the closing futures markets on the Mercantile Exchange, all the livestock commodities closed lower today. We've seen a lot of just up and down in the cattle this week, not really a lot of movement one way or another. Of course, those traders, they're getting ready for the holidays as well, so not really looking for a lot to happen there for the remainder of this week prior to Christmas, and then the shortened week with New Year's as well. December live cattle down 85 cents at 230.30. February down $1.15 at 229.55. April at 229.12 down $1.15. Feeder cattle January $1.80 lower 341.52. March 127 lower 336.32. April at 335.02 down $1.27. Lean hogs for February 177 lower $83 even. April down $1.75 at 87.95. May at 91.92 down 147. Taking a look at those tracking measures, the Missouri Stocker formula is currently setting at 430.74. That's within $9 now of the all-time record high. That's based on about a 550-pound steer through the auction barns in the state of Missouri. Of course, our auctions are going to be winding down, so probably not going to see that change a whole lot more in the upcoming weeks till we get into the new calendar year. Of course, today's sales will be figured into that tomorrow. So it's probably going to creep up a bit more, but unlikely to really challenge that record high till maybe after the first of the year, depending on what happens between now and then. The CME Cash Feeder Cattle Index, of course, that's based on an 800-pound steer up through the 12-state feeding region. It continues to climb higher, though we're still a long ways from the record on those yearling heavier weight cattle. Today's value at 349.79. That's about $8 higher than where the current January contract sets, but of course, they've got over a whole month before they have to come together. Turning our attention to the grain markets at the elevators around the state on Thursday. Corn bids were mixed from 1 lower to 4 higher. Beans were stayed to 4 lower, wheat 3 to 10 lower, and Milo 4 cents higher. Corn bids at the elevators in St. Louis, 446 to 447, Kansas City at 433. Soybean bids, St. Louis 1071 to 1076, Kansas City 998 to 1028. Wheat bids in St. Louis 496 to 511, Kansas City at 469. On the Board of Trade, corn contracts March closed 4 cents higher, 440 and a half. May at 447 and 3/4, up 3 1/4. July at 453 and a half, up 2 1/2. January beans down 4 1/2, 1058 1/4. March at 1068 and 3/4, down 3. May was down 3 at 1080. Wheat for March 3 1/4 lower, 506 1/4. May down 2 1/4, 517 1/4. July at 527 and 3/4, down 2. Soybean meal for January down $4.20 a ton at $298.20. Soybean oil for January up 16 cents a hundredweight at $48.52. With the Missouri Department of Agriculture, that's a recap of your markets for Wednesday. This is Tony.